Phew! Phew! That's one of my few doubles with only inducing one. You know, usually when I induce, I get like one and I have to do it again. So that was kind of cool. Phew! 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 Oh. Phew! Phew! I hope these are coming out okay. I hope like you can actually see it. I don't usually watch these before I put them up, so I don't know. Come on, I know there's more in there. Listen to how stuffy I am. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. This makes me incredibly, incredibly stuffy. So it's like I gotta do this before anyone comes home and make sure my nose is clear, because, you know, I'm never like this unless I do this. So, you know, otherwise people will be like, why are you so stuffy? I'll be like, because I don't know. Okay, I need to get some more. Oh, come on. Well, I hate to disappoint you guys, but I think I'm done for now. But hopefully the sniffling and stuffy voice is good enough to make up for the lack of sneezes in this second part. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.